Today we're gonna be wiring this switch I bought to the strobe lights. So it's a real simple switch. So it comes with these positive and negative adapters, and it comes with another set of positive and negative adapters just like that. So these ones right here I'm going to use for the back. When I do the back, I don't know if I'll film that. I'll do it on a later date. But I'm going to film putting these into the ones in the front today. So first, so it also has a repeater on it and a fuse. So I'm gonna run, and these go to the battery. I'm gonna run these up through here. It'll come up here, and then I'll have all that done, and then I'm gonna also wire the wire under the tractor and wire that to the front. So I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna film that. So see you while I'm doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna wire this to this hole that I just showed you guys. So we'll just tuck this under and put it up there. And they come up right through there. Like that. And then okay, that looks good. The repeater's gonna be on the back end. So when I'll screw that in real quick. So I'm gonna just leave these up here. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave these here. I'm not gonna connect them to the battery because I still got some more stuff to do. So yeah, I'll try to angle the camera so you can see me screwing that in. We'll just use some random bolts I find. So I'll show you the bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna angle the tractor so everybody can watch. So I'll film back with everybody when I do that. Okay, so I got the repeater up here. It's tight, and then zip tied so it's held up, and then everything's running down there, and up here. So we still got this up and this. So I had to take the battery out to put the bolt in for the repeater. I didn't film that because it's just too much. So next, we're going to wire the switch last. But I'm gonna run this up there. I'm gonna just zip tie everything down under it to get all tight, and then I'm gonna give enough slack or so I can run the switch up here. I plan on mounting it right here on the side behind the gas tank, right there. So to drill a hole right here to the side for that, and wire these. So I'm gonna film me just twisting all these in and getting them ready to hook that up. So I'm gonna get those ready right now, and then I'll won't film running this up there. Okay, and let's get to it. Okay, I decided not to use the white wire, which is the sync wire. So I got it. So I got them all twisted up together like that, and then once I get this all ran under the tractor, I'll use the stuff it came with to plug them in, and then just all we gotta do is just switch and put positive and negative to the battery, and then just flip the switch, it'll turn on, and then we'll be finished. So it'll be cool when it's done. So I'm gonna run this under the tractor. And I won't film that, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, I'm gonna drill the hole for the switch. So it's gonna go right about there. So the bit I'm using is one of these weird bits, and then we're gonna go about to this mark right here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna get a better angle so you guys can see me doing it. So I'm gonna go right here. I'll pull it out, and then I'm gonna get all this out of the way first. I'm gonna see if the switch fits right now. It does not look like it will fit right now. It will not, so let's drill some more. So that should be good. If not, I can do it a little better. So I'm gonna pull these cords right here out. I'm gonna pull these out, and I'll start filming again when I find the correct size and put it in. All good. So I got the switch up here now, so it's pretty easy. I could just be on the tractor and flip the switch. I was going to have it right here, but it's the hole that's under it is not big enough, so I decided to just make my own instead of putting it here. Another place I was going to put it was right down there, but that's kind of hard to reach and press the button. So the best was just right here on the side, so I can easily press it. So yeah, and that's the rest of the video. So yeah, hope you have a great day, and shout out to Ben. He got 5 feet of snow. That was part of the question I had on one of my posts. So he got 5 feet of snow. Shout out to Ben, and have a great day. And that's it. Oh, one last thing. I'm gonna be wiring that up to that on my own time. I'm not gonna be filming that, but I will. The next video will be what it looks like and how cool it is. So look forward to that, and have a great day.